this STEM activity is perfect for grade 12 student and grade 11 student. So this is about the regulation of the voltage. So, and the main component which regulates the voltage is Zener diode, Zener, Zener diode. Okay, and the symbol of Zener diode is, this is a symbol for the normal diode. This is anode, this is cathode. Anode means positive, cathode means negative, and for this you have to just do like this, so it becomes the Zener diode. What do you mean by regulation? Regulation means, suppose if you have a 12-volt battery and you have a charger like your mobile charger, but your mobile charger needs 5-volt battery. So here the Zener diode comes in an action. So it's the most popular component still today in the era of AI also. In year 2026 also, the Zener diode is a very important component for understanding the basic electronics. So I have made a simple circuit about this. So it's, you have to put a Zener diode this way. So basically Zener diode is like this is a golden diode, you know. So let me zoom it and show you about it. If you just monitor it, it has a little darker end one like this. So this is a diode. All right, so let me zoom back it, and this is a Zener diode. So there is a black mark here. So this side is a negative side, which is cathode, and this side is a positive side. Same way, I have a normal diode. Normal diode also has a just a slight mark here. Let me put it here in my hand, although so there is a slight identification here. Same way in a Zener also there is a identification, you can just notice. So you have to take care about these intricacies. So in a normal diode, it's also a slight cut here. So this one, so this is cathode, this is anode. So let's draw the circuit of these regulations. Our agenda is to understand how the voltage is regulating. So basically I have made a circuit. So if you see the input, it's something like 7.3 volts. All right, and the output should be 5.6 volt or near to 5.6 volt, because its specifications of this Zener diode is 5.6 volt. So what's happening is that, so circuit is very easy. This resistance goes here, 50 ohms, and then you have a Zener diode. You can check the orientation. All right, the specification is 5.6 specifications. So we are giving an input, this one, the 9 volt, and we are getting the output 5.6 always, irrespective of the inputs. Even if we increase it to 12 volts, the output would be 5.6 volt. So I request you to make this exercise more interesting by changing this resistance value to 100 ohms, 200 ohms, 300 ohms, and just check the voltage output. You have to measure the voltage at this end, which is this one, like this. So I'll get a 5.6 volt. See, it's a 5.6 volt continuous, and this is input. So this is an input, and this circuit is so simple that every student, I'm sure, they are going to enjoy it. So thank you, and please subscribe if you like my content to encourage me. Thank you. Bye bye.